Hello, I'm Coach Mo Gingrich from the UP Fighting Maroons. I'm an assistant coach here. And ngayon, tuturo ko yung basic skills ng basketball. Ito, ang tira natin, free throw, jump shot, any shot really, it starts sa base, okay? Sa paa, sa legs, and all the way up. Okay? Tinuturo ng mga coaches ngayon, kung right-handed ka, right foot slightly forward, then the left foot, and feet shoulder width apart. Yung power ng tira mo will come from the knees. So, pag titira ka, knees slightly bent, okay? Especially sa umpisa, kasi yung power ng shot mo will come from the legs. Okay? Now, kung makita nyo, yung hands, how he's holding the ball. Okay? Unang-una, dapat may konting gap sa bola. Okay? Habang umaangat siya sa tira niya, itong elbow na to, we want it pointed at the rim. Okay? Para one line lahat, all the way up, sa right elbow, one line, in line with the rim. Okay? Also eyes. You see sa shot pocket niya, nakikita niya ang target niya, yung ring. Okay? In this case, gusto nating target yung pinakagitna ng ring. So imaginein mo, sa pinakagitna ng ring, merong 1 peso coin. 1 piso coin dun sa gitna. Yun ang pinaka-target mo para every time, small target, miss small. Same thing, makita mo yung elbow niya, 90 degrees. Down as he goes up into a shot, pagtira, pag-release. Makita mo yung follow-through niya, pointed at the rim, arms straight, and bent down. Tawag natin dito ay gooseneck. Okay? This hand, pang support lang. Dito nang gagaling lahat ng power ng shot. So makita mo kung i-release niya, yung gooseneck, nagkakos ng backspin sa bola. Okay? Para diretso ang bola papunta sa ring. So yan ang basic skills involved in shooting.